So Miguel and I are in here, we're in the big great room, the family room, I don't know what you call it, big den. And we've taken the plastic and the tape off of these first floor windows as we're trying to figure out if our reveals are okay. And as with everything else in the rest of this house, they're a little bit funky, but at this point we're just trying to get straight lines. So we're not trying to correct everything because we know that just won't work. But here's what happens when you take the tape off. The previous guy taped everything up where you couldn't see it, and then when you take the tape off, you see that there's a, but you know, really the sheetrock was never done where it lined up with the window. I think the windows probably don't line up is the problem. I think the top and bottom windows are the issue. And so now we're gonna have to try and figure out how to make this work where we don't have to redo all this. This is more of a problem when you have a company out here doing all this work, but nobody's supervising it. Nobody was out here keeping an eye on what these guys were doing and asking them if things are lining up right, or even just looking to see. And as you can see with what we're finding repeatedly in this house is that it was just a lack of supervision. So whenever you're taking on a project like this, whether you're the homeowner or the contractor, if you're the homeowner, you need to find out who's in charge and who's responsible, because that's really the issue here. If you're the contractor, you need to supervise your jobs and have a superintendent that actually understands how things are supposed to work, because clearly that wasn't the case here. And this homeowner is having to spend a ton of money redoing the redo. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment and subscribe.